What's going on, guys? My name is Freddie Finance. I'm a licensed financial advisor. I hold a Series 7, Series 66 SIE, and my life and health insurance license. And in this video, I'm going to be going over why car prices have gone to the stratosphere. So the used car market has been driven by the sellers that have been able to somehow sell their cars for a ton of money, and buyers are willing to pay it. So will the car market ever come down? Well, based on the state of our economy, I don't think that's going to be anytime soon. And it's because inflation is looking to stay the same for the short term, and then gas prices are going to be following suit. So, how did we get here? Prices in the used car market are highly sensitive to changes of supply and demand, just like any market. But unfortunately for buyers, they have been dealing with higher demand and lower supply since America has come out of COVID. Why is there high demand? Well, the spike in demand comes from a few different places. These include new car buyers getting priced out by shoppers heavy with cash. Some buyers some used car buyers have been putting off purchases due to job uncertainty, and now their vehicle is needing to be replaced, so they have to buy a car. But the main component of the demand comes from extremely low interest rates on car loans. This allows buyers to pay more for a vehicle while keeping their monthly car payments in check. We know that there's a low supply, but the car supply side is a little complicated because during the pandemic, production of new cars stopped and factories canceled their orders for parts. But since the demand for new vehicles has soared so quick, automakers were not able to meet that demand. I bet you if you drive by a dealership, you're going to see a lot of empty spaces, and so in turn, new car prices have gone to the stratosphere because automakers are just able to set the price at that point. And this slowdown of new car production has pushed many new car buyers to look for used cars, and that's why the used car market is so high. The real question is, will they ever drop back to what they used to be, or is this the new normal? Used car prices will drop at some point, and market forces that are keeping them so high aren't going to exist forever. When and by how much is the golden question, but KPMG came out with a report of an illustration that laid out 4 scenarios that the car market could return to normal as early as the end of this year or as late as the end of next year. The golden question is, should you wait to buy a used car? Well, the answer depends on your personal situation. If you need a car because your vehicle has reached the end of its tenure, then buy a new car. But if you just want a car and you have the luxury of waiting until prices come down, then I would highly consider that option, because patience can pay off in a big way during these times, because you can snag a great deal. If you need a used car, it's actually still a great time to buy because of how the interest rate environment is. And this will likely remain favorable for car buyers, and in turn, trade-in values are going to remain high. So this helps offset the higher cost of purchasing a new or used vehicle. So now you know why car prices have gone through the roof, and if you learned 1 or 2 things, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, share this with a friend, and I'll catch you guys next time.